What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing some Roblox speedrun with the bike. What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing some Roblox speedrun with the bike. We're also trading some soul. So my time to beat is 1938. Not too bad of a time. So my time to beat is 19. But let's get it, guys, and yeah, hopefully y'all niggas watching. Oop. Hopefully you guys watching my stream. So yeah, we're also trading soul on the side. I'm watching right now. We're at negative 4305 with 16.4681328.9 shares. We have a triangular compression going on, and so far it's been staying with our compression. So we're going to be looking for a breakout, either bearish bias or bullish bias. Right now, see, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Based on our compression shape, honestly, we might be looking at a bearish bias, but I think we've pretty much taken out liquidity from the past couple days. Our RSI and ADX tells the same thing pretty much. I mean, we're pretty much in a consolidation period. That's why we're staying in our triangle. But I think we're doing a 15-minute time frame. I mean, because 1 minute it's so fucking, it sucks. You know, the 1 minute is it's so spaced out. It's a little bit of activity because there's not very much volume during this time of hour. So that's why I like sticking with 15 or an hour. 15 an hour, they give pretty good insights. I don't know how many people's watching. Can you guys hear the music? I'm gonna turn it up, see if you guys can. Alright, so unfortunately you guys can't hear the music I'm playing. But I'm playing some Metallica. Metallica's always a good music to be playing. Yep, so what I said was we're going to be doing some time to beat is 1938. We're also trading soul. So I gotta keep watch that too. Right now we have a compression triangle, and right now it looks like we are breaking out of our triangle, but hasn't closed underneath it. So we're looking pretty good. We're gonna restart this baby. Looks like we're staying against in the triangle. 1938. Our time to beat. We have 1942 ADX and 144627 RSI, which, let's see what it says on here. Let's see, 4627 RSI. Very strong trend, momentum high, stay in trend trade, but time stops. Okay, so I see we're starting to create a small little trend, but it can also be a counter trend because we have been having ups and downs during this consolidation period, so that could mean many things. So we have a, what's it say here? 1942 ADX. What does it say? Oversold. Price may be unvalued. Possible bullish reversal zone. Does not sound very good. But again, I can say is we're still in our triangle, which it may seem like a possible breakout. Fudge. So we'll just have to keep an eye on track. We have a minute and 24 until our candle closes for the 15 minutes, our 15-minute time frame. So we'll just have to keep an eye out. But for now, it looks like we might be breaking out of our zone, which I'm not very not really any red flags. Our volume, it's pretty low. Doesn't signify anything too important. We just have to keep watching it, see what it says. 1942 ADX. Yeah, no trend. Market sideways, consolidating momentum. RSI. What's RSI at? 46? Holy shit, why the fuck is it so high? Our ADX, RSI 46. Neutral, market balance, avoid impulse. Okay, so we're pretty much in neutral. I'm gonna say bullish bias. Nothing too crazy. Fudge. So for our time to beat, it's 19 something. I think I'm gonna say 1950, but I think it's a little bit more than that. So it's all right. We'll get this. Crap. I'm gonna try a first person all game. So yeah, Sunday the market, crypto took a pretty good deep step, like a pretty good dump. Mainly due to because a lot of people they are. It's not because of geopolitical news. It's more because of scarcity. People are scared. They're scared because with stocks you have a scared meter. Like some people sell because of all the shit's going on, but a lot of people they just hold it. And that meter is people are frightened. They're scared of what's going to happen, so that's why they sell. They're not selling because of the politics. They're selling because of the meter. It's a frightened market. So that's why Sunday a lot of we had a nice pretty nice bullish run, bearish run. Good for the shorters. Man, I bet the shorters made a lot of fucking money. But I think I was actually swinging this trade, and I ended up losing. Well, I haven't closed it yet, but the loss I was at like 160 something. I think I swung this order Saturday night or Friday night Friday morning. No, I did swing this Saturday. Saturday night. Think I had it at like fucking. Let's see. Let's see. We have my mouse somewhere. January 25th at 3:45 p.m. 126.43. Right now we're at 124.06, and since it was leveraged, 10x, which I think only like 3%. It's margin at 10x, but leverage you can pretty much. So pretty much what margin means is, so my margin is at 10x, but then leverage. So let's say you have 2 grand, it'll 10x it and turn it into 4 grand, or no. So let's say you have like 400 bucks. It'll 10x it into $4,000. So that you don't actually have $4,000, but you can control $4,000 worth of shares. Or with your leverage, you could like decrease it into less, or just go all in and control 4,000 worth. So that's what leverage is, or margin. So margin 10x. So you actually have, so if you have 100 bucks, you have 1,000, and you don't own 1,000 shares of whatever you're buying, or whatever, how much. You don't own $1,000. You control $1,000 worth. But you make more money with leverage anyways, because I mean, they let you borrow, your broker, whatever broker you do have, lets you borrow X amount of shares, like the margin minus 10x. I use, for my crypto, I use Kraken, which I think 10x in the United States is, or in the United States 10x is legal, but anything more than that is just illegal. Like, I know some do 250x, which is a lot. So if you have 100 bucks, ah, shit. You own like 2,600 shares, if I did my math right. So like if you have 250 bucks, I think you get like $2,500. And they make money by like trading fees, not, yeah, just trading fees, small trading fees. It's not anything crazy. So we're touching our triangle, bearish. We got 9 minutes left on the chart for that candle. If we get a bounce back, then we're definitely looking bullish. If I could show you, I would, guys, but I'm not very much of a technology guy. I think we might break our fucking triangle. Bullish. I'd have to check the different time frames real fast. See what our bias is looking at like. See, the thing with biases, let's say you're at 15 minutes, right? It could look bearish at a 15-minute time frame, but then if you switch to like a 30-minute, it could look bullish. And if you switch to like it could look bearish. But if you 1 hour bearish, 4 hours bearish, 15-minute bearish, yeah. So looks like this candle might close in a bearish bias. So let's take a look at our ADX and RSI real fast. ADX is at 39.79. Strong trend, ideal zone for trading continuation setups. This isn't a continuation. RSI. What is our RSI? 50. strength zone, bullish momentum building, considering long positions with confirmation. So right now it's kind of 50-50 because I don't. So what if our triangle does end up at a bearish, and then we have confirmation, confluences as our indicators, because right now our ADX is 50.46, exhaustion, trend may be peaking, expect volatility or reversal soon. Oof, 39 ADX, 39. Weak zone downtrend showing exhaustion, potential slow rebound. So honestly, I'm not even sure what the fuck that means. So we just have to wait and see, because right now it's saying that we could expect. Oh, we have a green candle forming. We have a green candle forming, so that's a pretty good sign. Taking a piss right now. Now, I will say, I'm not the best trader. Usually my strategy with trading is, I like to trade range. Usually the rule of thumb is find a strategy, stick with it until you can master it, and then find a different strategy to learn. And honestly, I suck. I suck at trading, so I've been just honestly switching through different strategies. I've done range. Right now I'm swinging this. This is probably the first time I ever swung a trade. What swing trading means, like you're doing market analysis, technical analysis to figure out where it'll go within like the week, days, hours, and pretty much just holding a trade for longer. Usually for like a longer time frame, because usually with swing trading you're looking at like daily hours, an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and then with like anything else besides that you're looking at like a minute, 5, 15, in an hour, and that's just like in the day. You know, that's just within the day. So day trading you're only holding something for like seconds or even hours, not days or weeks. With swing you're holding it for like weeks or days. Because in larger time frames you can see it's like peeling an onion. The deeper you look into it, like, so let's say an onion, the time frame, like the first layer of the outside is like a day, right? You dig out, you take off 2 layers, so now you're looking at like 4 hours worth of onion, and then you dig out like fucking 3.5 hours, so now you're looking at like uh, an hour or some change, right? And you dig out, and now you're looking at an hour worth of onion, and then you go dig a little deeper, and you're looking at 15 minutes worth of onion. So the deeper you get, the less of a time frame you have, the deeper inside the onion you can see. It's pretty much the best way I can explain it, the time frames to you in onion sense. It's like the more of an onion you look into, the less of a time frame you have. So like you say, let's say you peel 50% of an onion, and depending on what type of trading strategy you look at, you're looking at like a 15-minute onion. So let's start over. So let's say the husk of an onion is 4 hours. You peel that half, and now you're looking at 1 hour. And to really look deeper into what's happening in the onion, you peel off another layer of a husk, and then you're looking at like 30 minutes. And to look deeper, you tear off more husk or more onion, and now you're looking at like an hour of onion. You take more of an onion out, you peel more onion, and then you're looking at a smaller time frame. 15, 5, 1 minute, 45 minutes, an hour. And the difference of the time frames is, so let's say you're looking at a chart and you're looking at a 1 minute chart, and 1 minute is 60 seconds, or yeah. So in the 1 minute chart, one fully formed candlestick is 1 minute, and that's yeah, 1 minute. So if you have 5 candlesticks, that's 5 minutes. But if you go to the 1 hour chart, or 5 minute charts, you only see 1 minute. Or you only see a 5 minute, you'll only see 1 candlestick. Because within that 1 candlestick, there's 5 1 minute candlesticks. So it's less noise, higher time frames are more quieter, so you won't see as many time frames, many candlesticks. To further improve and accept your bias, I think it would just be our time. I'm gonna go back real quick, see what our time to beat was. I'm gonna go back real quick, see what our 1938, 14, 17, 14. So yeah, we beat our time pretty good. Let's try to beat this time. So let's take a look at our chart real fast. We're at a 15-minute chart. 4 candlesticks equals 60 minutes. We're bearish, but we'll slowly, barely even breaking out of our triangle here. We have a bullish candlestick, which honestly, this might be a true bullish triangle compression. Yeah, so we're negative 45.30. So I'd say that our triangle is it's pretty good. Touching the triangle both ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I wanted to do is touch bullish the 5th time. 6. So I want to sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I wanted to touch 3 more times. 4. Which honestly, it might touch 4 more times. So that's what I'm saying is, like, imagine a sideways triangle. And You have a sideways triangle pointing to the right. And we six. The line, the end of the triangle touch the bottom. And up top, bullish touches again, drops back down, barely even touches the bottom. Goes back up, doesn't touch it. Goes back down, touches it. Goes back up, doesn't touch it. And a slight V shape forms, but it ends up touching the top. And now small, very small candles towards the edge, maybe like 80% of the, so like 20, say 20% of the tip is left. It touched at 20% on the bottom. We have the bottom, we have a bullish candle forming. But see, at the 1 hour, it's bullish, bearish. 4 hour is bearish. So this candle right now, it's a bearish candle. Even though on the 15 minutes it looks bull, because it's green, but it's actually bearish. Anyways, let's continue with our, so we have, what was our time? 17:48 to beat. 17:14 to beat. We've been playing for about 17:14. I think I made more money on crypto than I actually did stocks, because I usually trade APPL, it's a ticker symbol. It's Apple, obviously. I think the other day I made like 16 bucks in like 5 seconds. And with Apple, bro, I'm telling you, bro, I don't make shit. But with Apple, I've been noticing a nice little trend going on, and not speaking with like daily trends, but this is more like Apple. They like, fuck. Apple has every day that they collect liquidity, and then every other day it'll dump, and then you collect more liquidity. So I think it's pretty good for a nice little swing trade, or just scalping, because with Apple you can make some pretty good fucking money. I mean, Apple weekly is one of the top gainers. Almost every like couple days. Fuck, and I tried, and I know Apple's in NASDAQ, but NASDAQ, there's just so much bullshit around there. Fucking cocksucker, I thought I could jump that shit. Fuck, I thought I could jump it again. I can't jump it, baby. Yeah, I can't. But with Soul, baby, that shit's 24 hours, bro. And since it's leveraged, man, I'm making fucking bank. So say you start with like $1,000, right? You have 10x, $10,000. Like leverage is your best friend, but also it's your arch enemy, bro. Cause so you gain like so you put 10,000, so you control 10,000 shares, right? You can make money quick, but boy, you can lose it quicker. You can lose fucking money quick with leverage. Just as fast as you can make it, you can lose it. In some places, like outside the US, boy, they do 250x margin, which is insane. But in order to do it in the US, you need to have a VPN, which a good VPN, because a lot of they just fuck you over, bro. Because some are slow as hell. And if you have slow internet, bro, you're fucked. Was it 17 something? Motherfucker. Yeah, I'm already fucking back. I'm already fucking. Yeah, I'm already held back, bro, by this fucking course. Yeah, I'm already backtracked a lot. Kept the focus a little bit. Cause I need to get past 50. Cause right now I'm on time to like at least 10 minutes. Yeah, I need to get past this shit real quick. Fuck. Yeah, I'm screwed. Shit. Yeah, I'm done for, baby. Fuck. I'm not gonna P17. I might. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna beat this baby. Fuck. 55, yeah, I'm not gonna beat this. I'm gonna be like 6 minutes, a minute late. Damn it. Fuck. Yes. Got 2 more minutes. So look at. I think after this, I might play some shawarma. Shawarma's pretty fucking scary, baby. Oof. Let's see what I can get down to, baby. Yeah, let's play shawarma. Fuck this shit. Let's play some body cam. do sandstorm. Sandstorm Resurgency, baby. I have the game, but it's fun when um, oh, yep, that's why. So we have a bearish bullish candle, 1 hour. Um, yeah, I think we're gonna get this one pretty good. Let's do first person. Oh, start with the fucking gun, baby. Come on. That shit was first person. I thought I clicked for person. These fucking guns, bro. What the fuck? Shit, I'm screwed. Fuck this shit, baby. So yeah, we can see here it's staying true to our compression triangle, which is a good sign. And so in about let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 hours. It's looking pretty good. I'm loving this. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, we're looking amazing.